Inside America, a new generation of factories is silently changing how the world is built. Behind these walls, machines work with precision humans could never maintain for hours. Every movement here is calculated down to a fraction of a millimeter. Robotic systems handle repetitive tasks with unmatched accuracy and consistency. Together, these machines form a perfectly timed production system. Artificial intelligence monitors every process, adjusting operations in real time. Before moving forward, every component is carefully calibrated for accuracy. These systems are designed to learn from motion, improving with every repetition.
Balance and stability are essential. Each robot is trained to adapt instantly to changing conditions. Built to operate at human scale, these robots are designed to work alongside people, not replace them. This facility is designed to run continuously, maintaining performance and consistency around the clock. Behind the scenes, smart logistics keep every station supplied, so production never slows.
Every component is installed with exact precision, ensuring reliability from the inside out.
Advanced sensors give these robots the ability to see, measure, and respond with accuracy. Inside, every connection is carefully routed, delivering power and data exactly where it's needed. Before activation, every system is verified, ensuring hardware and software work as one.
Each joint is calibrated carefully, allowing smooth and reliable movement across the entire range. Fine motor control allows these robots to handle delicate tasks with care and precision.
Vision systems allow the robot to recognize objects, measure distance, and respond intelligently to its surroundings. Beyond individual movements, the robot is tested on complete task sequences, bringing coordination and decisions. Endurance testing ensures these systems can operate continuously, maintaining performance hour after hour. Safety systems allow the robot to detect boundaries, adjust motion, and operate responsibly in shared environments. Each action feeds data back into the system, allowing the robot to refine its performance with every cycle. Energy efficiency is carefully monitored, allowing the robot to balance performance with minimal power consumption. Environmental awareness allows the robot to respond intelligently, adapting smoothly to changes around it. When multiple robots work together, coordination becomes just as important as individual precision. These systems are designed to recognize human presence, adjusting behavior to ensure safe and cooperative operation. After assembly and testing, each unit undergoes a final inspection, ensuring it meets strict production standards. Once approved, each robot is carefully prepared for transport, ensuring stability and protection beyond the fence. With assembly complete, these robots are ready for deployment, bringing intelligent automation one step prepared. Each unit moves seamlessly into automated storage, where logistics systems manage scale and readiness. Every item is tracked in real time. Smart inventory systems know exactly what's stored. Before anything moves forward, automated vision systems verify perfection. Every unit is checked faster. Comes precision weighing. Every product must meet exact standards, down to fractions invisible to human hands. Advanced vision systems inspect every surface. Nothing escapes the cameras. Not a scratch, not a flaw. Every unit is weighed automatically. Even a fraction of a gram out of place is instantly detected. The system doesn't guess. Artificial intelligence flags even the smallest quality deviation instantly. Every unit is weighed to the milligram. Consistency here isn't a goal, it's a guarantee. When something doesn't meet the standard, the system responds instantly, without slowing the line. Every movement feeds data back into the system, allowing the factory to adjust itself in real time. Quality here isn't checked at the end. It's verified at every single step. This system doesn't guess. It analyzes millions of signals and chooses the best move instantly. Before a failure can happen, the system already knows. This is predictive maintenance in real time. No shutdown, no delays. The repair happens while production keeps moving. This repair isn't forgotten. The system records it, learns from it, and prevents the next failure before it happens. What one machine learns, every machine knows. In seconds, the entire factory becomes smarter than it was before. When something drifts off course, the system doesn't stop. It corrects itself instantly, perks, without wastefulness. This factory never slept. Day or night, the process continues straight. Without human handling, errors are reduced to near zero. Every item is checked with the same level of precision. Every decision here is made by artificial intelligence, analyzing thousands of data points every second. The system continuously adjusts itself, optimizing speed and quality in real time. By optimizing energy use, the factory reduces costs while maintaining full production efficiency. A growing part of this factory is powered by renewable energy sources, like solar systems. Any leftover material is automatically sorted, recycled, and reused within the system. This model is already shaping factories worldwide, setting a new standard for the future of manufacturing.
Automation doesn't remove people from industry. It shifts human roles towards supervision, design. Fully enclosed systems increase safety while delivering the same level of quality every time. Automation ensures consistency, even when production reaches massive scale.
This is not just automation. This is the beginning of a new era in manufacturing.
While the world slows down, this factory continues, hour after hour, day after day. Reliable production means reliable supply. No matter where demand rises, the system stays ready. Compared to traditional methods, automated systems deliver higher efficiency with fewer interruptions. Lower costs, faster output, and consistent quality are the core advantages of full automation. For businesses, this means predictable production. For consumers, it means stable quality and results. This is where manufacturing is heading. Smarter factories, built to adapt, scale. These systems don't stay the same. They learn from every cycle, improving performance over time. Problems are addressed before they happen. Predictive maintenance keeps production running without interruption.
Maintenance happens in parallel, so production never needs to pause. This isn't a vision of tomorrow. This is manufacturing today.
The most powerful factories are often the quietest ones.
Low vibration and stable motion mean less wear, less waste, and higher efficiency. When machines run smoothly, they last longer and perform better over time.
Longer machine life means fewer repairs and significantly lower maintenance costs over time.
From small facilities to global operations, automation scales to fit every level of manufacturing.
As adoption grows, automation is becoming the new standard across modern manufacturing.
These systems are built to meet strict regulations, delivering consistency that regulators and customers can trust. When production is consistent, brands earn trust, and consumers feel confident. In the end, all this technology exists to serve real people every single day.
This is how the future is built. Quietly, precisely, and with purpose.